In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell video courses on your Wix website step by step. First, you'll need to go to www.wix.com and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate directly to the site where you'd like to host your video courses and click on Edit Site. This will take you into the Wix editor, where you can begin setting up your online course offerings. Make sure that you have the right Wix tools installed, such as Wix Stores, Wix Video, or Wix Online programs, as they are crucial for managing your course content effectively. Begin your course creation by planning thoroughly. Decide on your course's topic, who your target audience is, and what your learning objectives will be. Break your course down into digestible modules or lessons, and make sure to prepare any necessary video lessons, PDFs, or additional resources. Remember, the quality of your videos is important. Aim for high quality, well-edited MP4 files to ensure a professional presentation. Next, in the Wix editor, go to Program Pages and select Program List followed by Manage Programs. From your dashboard, head to Wix Online Programs and click plus New Program. Here is where you'll create your video course. Enter a meaningful course name, something that encapsulates the essence of what you're offering, like Digital Marketing Masterclass. Craft a detailed description of your course, noting the number of lessons, total duration, and the topics covered to give potential students a clear understanding of what they'll learn. Now, navigate to Pages and Menu within the editor, then go to Store Pages, and finally click on Product Page. Once you're there, click on Manage Products. In the dashboard, head to Store Products and select Plus New Product. Choose Digital Product for downloadable or streaming access, and fill in the course details. Add a cover image and a thorough description, highlighting the benefits that this course will bring to your students. Once your course is set up, you can embed or share it in different formats. You might use Wix Online Programs or Wix Video to have the lessons available right on your site, or enable automatic delivery for downloadable courses, ensuring that students get immediate access. Don't forget to set your course price. You have the option to offer various enrollment tiers, such as standard or premium, and decide whether payments are one-time or subscription-based. Before going live, be sure to configure your payment methods. In the dashboard, under Settings, choose Accept Payments and enable options like PayPal or Stripe. It's crucial to test the purchasing process yourself to make sure it's seamless. Once everything is set, publish your course. Tailor your course's webpage design to align with your site's branding, and double-check with a preview to ensure everything looks just right. Finally, promote your video course across social media, email newsletters, or even LinkedIn. Use compelling, SEO-friendly descriptions and consider offering introductory discounts to attract a larger audience. Offering high-quality, organized courses along with sample lessons can significantly enhance your offerings on Wix, leading to successful sales.